The next component I'm going to show the cleaning of is the filter cartridge, which is usually in the UPAS like so. You take it out with the cap. In order to remove the filter, you're going to use the offset tabs on the top and bottom halves of the filter cartridge. We really want to avoid contamination in this step, and it's important to follow protocol that may go along with your research or use of the UPAS. I'm going to use tweezers to avoid contamination. Simply pop the filter cartridge open slowly like this, remove the top. That can be set aside for now. And then I'm going to remove the filter, put it in the container in which it will be transported to be analyzed. I'm going to clean both halves of the UPAS filter cartridge with soap and water. This can also be done using isopropanol and alcohol as well. I'm going to use this brush to get in between all of the areas in the bottom half of the cartridge. Dry awaying most of the moisture using a lint-free cloth. Repeat the steps using the soap and water on the top half. This inlet nozzle is where the particulates enter the filter cartridge. I'm going to use this small brush to clean out the inlet. Use the cloth to dry away most of the moisture. And then I'm going to set these aside to dry for approximately 10 minutes. It's very important for this component to be dry as well before reinstalling a new filter and reinstalling the filter cartridge into the UPAS. The filter cartridge comes in direct contact with the filter, and any liquids can damage the filter as well as contaminate the filter content. After the top and bottom halves of the filter cartridge are completely dry, you can reinstall a new filter for the next sample run. Again, using tweezers to avoid contamination, place the filter in the bottom half of the cartridge. Make sure the tabs are slightly offset and simply push down around the perimeter until the cartridge is sealed. It is now ready to be reinstalled in the UPAS with the clean cap and cyclone insert, as well as the clean filter cartridge containing a new filter. We're going to now assemble the parts back into the clean UPAS, popping that in the center there, and reinstalling the cap. The UPAS is now ready for a new sample run.